In this video, I will show you how to perform a translation. A translation is where you are taking a shape and you're basically sliding it across the graph. In this case, we are going to translate right 5 and up 1. So our goal is to slide the triangle right 5 and up 1. But first we need to talk about rules and notation. So if we take any point x comma y, if I want to slide it, that means that the x value is going to increase by 5. So we will have x plus 5. And if we want to go up 1, that means that the y value will increase by 1. So here we're given the coordinates of points A, B, and C. So if I add 5 to the x value, so I'm going to add 5 to the x value and I'm going to add 1 to the y value. Well, that's going to give me 3 comma 5. And I will just do the same thing again, add 5 and add 1. So that'll give me 5 comma negative 4. Add 5, add 1. That will give me 0 comma 0. Interesting. So you can see that the new triangle A prime, B prime, C prime will be here at 3 comma 5 and 5 comma negative 4 and 0 comma 0. All right, and we will just draw this triangle. All right, be sure to label your vertices, A prime, B prime, and C prime. All right, let's take another look. This time they are asking us for a description of the translation. Well, let's pick a point and see what happens. So here is point A, and here is point A prime. So if we move point A to point A prime, it is clear that we are moving to the left. And this is going to be left 5. And as a rule, if you translate left 5, that means that the x value is decreasing by 5. The y value is not changing. All right, so the x value is decreasing by 5 in all of these cases. So A prime, so negative 5 and 2 is negative 3. The y value stays the same. Negative 5 and 5 is 0. The y value stays the same. Negative 5 and 1 is negative 4. The y value stays the same. So we have negative 3 comma 4. Well, they've already graphed it for us, so we don't have to worry about graphing it. But maybe we can just check one of them. So for example, point B prime should be 0 comma 2. Okay, and here we are at 0 comma 2, and sure enough, there's B prime. For problem number 3, they are asking me for the description. They're asking me to draw the graph. They are giving us the rule. So this minus 6 really means that we are going to the left 6, and adding to the y value means that we are going up. So this is going to be left 6 and up 2. So that's the description. Now, if I apply the rule to these points, so I need to subtract 6 and add 2. Subtract 6, add 2, subtract 6, and add 2. All right, negative 6 and 5 is negative 1. 2 and 1 is 3. Negative 6 and 1 is negative 5. Positive 2 and negative 2 is 0. Negative 6 and 4 is negative 2. Positive 2 and negative 4 make negative 2. So now we have the point negative 1 comma 3. All right, negative 1 comma 3. And we have the point negative 5 comma 0, which would be right here. And we have the point negative 2 comma negative 2, which would be right here. And so let's just go ahead and draw this. And so here is A prime, B prime, and C prime. Okay, for number 4, finally we are given the original point and we are given the new point. And we have to figure out what the rule was, and we have to do the graph, and we have to figure out what the translation was. Okay, well, negative 3 became 0. How does negative 3 become 0? Well, we must have subtracted, we must have added 3. So just looking at this first pair of points, to turn negative 3 into a 0, we would have to add 3, and that would make 0. Okay, next we have negative 4. Well, negative 6 and positive 2 will make negative 4. All right, so it looks like this will be the rule, is that we're adding 3 and subtracting 6. So that would be x plus 3 and y minus 6. Let's check it on the next point. Positive 3 and 0 will make 3. Negative 6 and 5 will make negative 1. Let's check it on the last point. 3 and 2 make 5. Negative 6 and 3 make negative 3. So it makes sense. Okay, well, they gave us the point, so 0, negative 4 would be right here. And 3, negative 1 would be right here. And 5, negative 3. Okay, 3, 4, 5, negative 3 would be right here. So here is A prime, B prime, and C prime. And so we went right 3 and down 6.